You have only seen girls do get ready with me video, but Aja Shubham.
How do we do it? Like
No, you don't try to be a
we have to
girl.
be like we have to do it like them.
Kashala.
Come on.
We essentially get ready with us boys. Shubham, tu chip raha hai? Kidhar hai tu?
किधर है? आ जा.
Very good.
Nice. Yeah.
Tell us what we are wearing. Tell us the brands we are wearing. Shubham.
Uniqlo and I think local shirt tailored made.
Wow. So hipster. Oh my God. Adhar.
Ask me.
What are you wearing, Adhar?
I don't know clothes.
Cheere.
I don't know what brands they are. Their clothes they look.
What is this lungi pant you're wearing?
This is lungi pant, which is lungi pant. I don't know where I got it from. I just have it. This is a shirt.
Wow. Very, very winning very much on our Get Ready With Me opening.
Thank you.
I am, of course, wearing one of my favorite Bangalore local brands. This is a shirt from Varnam. And this shirt is actually called a rhombus shirt because of the rhombus-like shape. And pants are also from a brand I really like. It's called KSHM, Kshama, which is also written here, Kshama, in Devanagari. But I think the website is Core Asana. I love these balloon pants because especially Goa mein itni garmi hai, humidity hai. But nicely done, boys. I think we could do Get Ready With Me with the boys. I can vlog Shanti se because somebody else has taken the wheel while I'm playlisting the playlist. Bavaraman by Swanan Kirkere Sahib. Shubham is obviously... Okay.
Okay then.
Shubham's getting chauffeur driven and Adhar is trying to keep us alive.
Yes. I'm not going to look there. I'm going to look here.
It's a skill one has to build up to.
Yes. By being a journalist for 10 years.
No, not so much. But I'm just going to point this at you and tell me, what does it feel to drive the Mahindra Thar petrol automatic for the first time?
Quite surprising. Couple of things, right? Like, look at the size, looks huge, and I was scared that it's just a car which is a little too huge for my taste and my needs. But that's on the outside. Maybe it's also the color. White cars tend to look a little wider and bigger than normal cars, darker cars. So not that big actually. I was able to maneuver it quite easily till now. Terms and conditions apply. If I'm in a very bastard of a place, I may curse the car ki itni badi kyun hai. A couple of nicer things. Silent, super silent. It feels like you are in a grade or two cars which are more premium than this in terms of the ambient sound. The steering is so light. It's lighter than, okay, I'll give you an example. It's lighter than a Swift. It's lighter than a WagonR for sure. It's lighter than an Octavia. So quite a light steering. But yes, we haven't gone off-road enough to know how much it communicates the road to you, which I think is not that great. I think it's an electrical one, so that might be the case. What else? Very spacious. It should come with, like, Mahindra should do this. They should tie up with NGO which works with pets and shelters, and they should give you an offer of getting a rescue pet with the car. Like, it should definitely be the case.
Because itni jagah hai doggos ke liye.
Absolutely.
It's time for carpool karaoke. Millennials edition. Can you guess the song?
देखा तुझे तो हुआ मैं दीवाना, देख के ऐसा लगा सा पुराना हुए बेगाने क्यों हुए अनजाने क्यों.
This one was more popular.
Oh, I love this one. Don't, you have to listen to the whole song.
अभी अधर ये गाएगा. हाँ, मुझ में वो थोड़ा डीजे वाला कीड़ा है. मैं गाना एक मुखड़ा एक अंतरा और मैं चेंज कर देता हूँ गाना.
Don't reel on a song.
डोंट रील ऑन अ सॉन्ग. ये पहली बार सुन रहा हूं मैं.
से कोई आए कहीं चुपके से वो दिल में समा जाए साजना.
It's stunning. Oh, Shad, Tanha Dil. Oh man, this is a sing-along playlist.
आंखों में सपने लिए
निकल जाएगा.
घर से हम चल तो दिए जाने ये राहें अब ले जाएंगी कहाँ.
अभी बैठे बैठे गाड़ी में डांस करें, सो वी आर ऑब्वियसली मेकिंग अ डांस पार्टी प्लान. गोवा आए हैं तो लेफ्ट, हाँ मोजीगांव. गोवा आए हैं तो वी शुड. एंड
Dude, you know what? I've been here.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? एंड यू डोंट रिमेम्बर इफ यू
I
बीन.
don't remember.
ऐसा कैसा मानूस है? क्या
Really,
तेरे को
dude?
लोगो देख के समझ में आया?
Logo देख के, plus when I took this left, I'm like, dude, I've been here. And then I saw this in the green end.
कसला
I'm like,
माणूस
fuck, I've
है.
been here. I met a very dear friend here. She had introduced me to this.
बहुत प्यारी जगह है ना.
Yeah, it's a very lovely place. Damn.
खूपच सुंदर जागा आहे. चला तुम्हाला दाखवूया. मोजीगाव आहे नासगाव. फोर. मस्त. कैसा लग रहा है? You've come here how many? 10 years ago?
Not 10 years ago, but yeah, maybe 6 years. 6 Yeah, 6 years.
I could totally just live in a place like this. म्हणजे, why does it have to be some place where I just come and visit? Why? Look at this beautiful Mediterranean thali Adhar has ordered.
Mutabbal. There is Baba Ganoush. I think this is Baba Ganoush. This is Mutabbal. There is, of course, there's something else interesting. There's salads, and there is, and there's some nice cute dessert as well. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah.
घेऊन टाक. हे सगळे झोपाळे बिझी झालेले आहेत. मला झोका घ्यायचा आहे. ब्लैक पेपर. हम लोग कतार में हैं. Oh, you're actually getting up for us. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Why? लेडीसाठी हे आहे, तुझ्यासाठी ते आहे. बघ ना.
पंख्यात उलटा टांगवेन आणि मिरचीच्या धुरा देईन. कळलं कळलं.
Yeah, this is Thane speak. This is Thane level of torture. ऐक. ह्याच्यावर एक्स्ट्रा ग्रॅव्हिटी आहे. झोपून जायचंय ह्याच्यावर. हा, सी द गोवा लाईफ. याच्यासाठी शिफ्ट व्हायचंय. याच्यासाठी शिफ्ट व्हायचंय. शुभम भाई, कैसे लग रहा है गोवा लाइफ?
गोवा में मुझे लगा बाली आ गए थे.
बाली में. मैं तेरे को क्या बोला, दिस कैफे इज फुल बाली. अधर करायचं का शिफ्ट गोव्याला?
My 1 feet is already here.
Right now both your feet are in the air. Yeah, Goa looks good on you, man.
Thank you.
Yeah. तू पण सोड ग, बर्लिन वगैरे काय आहे? फाउंडेड इन गोवा.
फाउंडेड अँड फंडेड इन गोवा.
FUN-DED.
तेच.
I'm going up.
हा? अच्छा, जंगल जिम.
Crazy, I will also. You have to.
हे तू पोचतोय का वरती?
Yes.
चल करूया.
जाऊया.
चल.
स्कर्ट मध्ये कर.
हाँ, ती एक्स्ट्रा मेहनत आहे.
चप्पल.
Oh, this is fun. तुझा फोन. चलो शुभम भाई. अरे भाई, अधर तो पहुंच गया है समिट.
ओ भाई.
अधर समिट पहुंच गया है.
I don't see you. Now I do.
आता इकडनं वर कसं जायचं? केअरफुल.
Oh, this is tricky.
You're doing great.
One slip up away from. Good. Suzigard cardio.
आ गया कि बचपन आ गया
फुल
There's other.
खूपच मज्जा.
चला गया आई थिंक उस साइड
नुसती मज्जा.
है ना?
अरे वा, हे पण आहे.
रेकी चालू.
हे पडायचं तुला? कर पिकअप.
You know which is that?
Peekaboo.
Which is that camera mode where it becomes real?
This is the life, yeah. This is beautiful.
उसका जो वो है ना क्या बोलते हैं वॉइस
Right now, I am feeling extremely light and grateful. I've realized after years and years and years of just living alone, unfortunately, बहुत ज़्यादा glorify किया गया है. Just being hyper independent, hyper individual. I've tasted that medicine. It's extremely bitter. It's no fun. And now, going forward, I want to just do things and build things with friends. I want my own dil chata hai. I want my own zindagi na milegi dobara. In the everyday, not just like, you know, the Tomatino festival or whatever, annual vacation. So a year from now, 3rd of February 2027, hopefully I would have brought this feeling, this yearning and craving for community, tribe, brotherhood, sisterhood, living together with shared values. Hopefully, I want to have experienced that in some way by 3rd February 2027. Who knows, it might be in a place like Goa. Who knows, it might be in Mysuru. Who knows, it might be anywhere else. Yeah. बस हो गया अकेला अकेला अकेला. ट्राइब चाहिए, गैंग चाहिए, स्क्वाड चाहिए. बहुत सारा खाना होगा, बहुत सारी मस्ती होगी, बहुत डांस होगा, बहुत गाने होंगे. Everything that brings joy, right? Yeah. And for everyone, it could be single parents, single moms, single dads, their children, it literally takes a village to raise a child, and unfortunately, we are so burnt out from parenting because we expect ourselves to do everything. बच्चों को एक दूसरे के घर पे छोड़ देना, not knowing what they're up to, but knowing fully well that they'll be taken care of, they'll be well fed, they'll be safe. Want to create a village like that, a trust-based system like that. आज तो पता भी नहीं अपने नेबर कौन है यार. So first know your neighbor and love thy neighbor. Yeah. I'm recording this at 2:34 in the afternoon on 3rd of February 2026. Here's hoping, manifesting to the beautiful Goan sky and trees.
Amen.
If anyone wants to go here next, you all can sit here, or I can give you all another frame.
Question आहे. 1 year from now, 3rd of February 2027, what is the feeling that I want to fill myself with? One word that comes to mind that I want more of this year is whimsy. That wonder-like, awe-filled play. बचपन में जब छुपा छुपी खेलते थे, जब ट्रैकिंग करते थे, जब सांप सीढ़ी खेलते थे, वो फीलिंग वापस लाइफ में थोड़ी कठिन हो गई है आनी. Doing this right now just reminded me of that. So I think 1 year from now, I want my inner child to come back to that feeling of play, to come back always to that feeling of whimsy, with, like Mr. Ankit rightfully said, surrounded by a beautiful tribe. And by tribe I mean, I was just talking about this with a friend yesterday, it's getting harder to make friendships as an adult, and it's getting harder even so to sustain friendships as an adult. So what I wish to manifest this year is beautifully flowing and creating more adult friendships, filled with playful moments, filled with wonder-like joy, filled with a shared camaraderie of creating and building moments. So yeah, I think a year from now, wherever I am geographically, in India or Germany, who knows.
Yeah. Everything you're describing is basically the
Hanji.
weekender's life.
Hanji. I missed out on one word, I think. 2 words that I'm going to take throughout this year. Being audacious, along with carrying the feeling of whimsy. I think अगर ये दोनों शब्द अच्छे से embrace कर लिया, 3rd of February 2027, मस्त पैकी,
मजा ही है.
soulfully gratified होना.
In this moment, I'm feeling free. The old Shubham must have been the laptop working with the team. This Shubham is work in progress. I want to achieve by next Feb. What's the Feb 3rd is a Shubham who is on autopilot, free, feel freedom, not to be worried a lot about things which is not happening right now, and to be more present and travel with my partner as much as possible by next year. So I want to achieve that this year. Done.
So how am I feeling right now? I think I'm feeling quite relaxed. Over the last 13 months, I've not been really tracking calendars and watches, and a life without calendars and watches is exactly the kind of life I want to live. So quite at ease. I think time tends to go slow and easy, and I'm enjoying that. A year from now, I think I would love to be in a space where I have a mission. I've had that before. been at a very easy going life in the last 1 year, and I would love to sort of get back in action. I feel like I'm a tool that's not being put to use, right? Like if nature made me as a tool and then I'm not being put to use, I think I would want to do that. So I think that's where I'm going to be in a year from now, being put to use, enjoying that, right? So that's where I'm at. Yeah,
What can I use?
much in alignment to who I am. So I think one of the good things about being where I am in life right now, I know what I like to do, what I don't like to do, so and what I'm good at. So like the ikigai sort of space. So I think it's more in alignment. If I can get a little more technical and articulate around that, but I think that's not.
But you know what the mission is.
Yeah. I think I know where I wanted to head tactically. There are a bunch of verticals around friendships, about community, also around like just personal self-actualization, right? Like I was in a space 10 years back that I don't know what that meant. But now I know what that meant. Now it's about doing that, right? So it's a good shift for me. So I think a lot of clarity. I'm already in action. I think I would want to just continue to be in action.
Tathasti.
First bloody tattoo.
A friend said that I am actually doing what teenagers do in Goa, which is a script of go to Goa and get a tattoo done. And I think that might happen right now.
You think?
And the person to blame for that is actually... This is not leaving my face at all. Arey Deva. This.
The coiner of the word Serendi tattoo.
टट्टू बना दिया उसको यार टट्टू आई नो अ टैटू आर्टिस्ट नेम माइट बी बबलू बट टट्टू काहे कर दिया उसको सो बगुया we'll go see what feeling we are getting, but might go get a tattoo. I have a bunch of designs that I've been sitting with for about 4 to 6 years, and daughter is like, why have you not updated your body with a new tattoo yet? So बगुया मत जा
ओ बाबूजी
किस्मत की हवा कभी नरम कभी गरम कभी नरम नरम कभी गरम गरम कभी नरम गरम नरम गरम
ओ बेटा जी
अरे ओ
बाबूजी
As long as non-alcoholic.
I'm good. बूच ये क्या बजा रहा है? ओ मेरी
ये तो है हाँ
ओह
You're not familiar with the beats
नो नॉट
Tabla.
द
Oh
लेट्स
No.
गो Listen, जब तक हिमेशी has not entered the party, it's not a party. ये कर ना तेरा head tilt.
A warm up to a tattoo couldn't look better.
Listen, I'm getting spoiled by this cameraman शुभम के साथ.
आप देख रहे हैं
Where is our tattoo parlor? Which one looks less shady? Be careful. I like how all the uncles are hanging out on this chalk. There it is. Satya Tattoo. We use USA ink and needle professional. जावे इसी ऑन करावे. दो डिजाइन हैं, एक तो मुझे करना है, एक मैम को करना है. मैम आप बताना चाहेंगी इनको या मैं जाऊं पहले?
What was the line?
लिरिक्स हैं. कर दे मुझे मुझसे ही रिहा, कुन फाया कुन के लिरिक्स हैं.
You want to check it online? So
Yeah, yeah.
I tried and
मेरा वाला ये है.
Keep it like this, ऐसा. ये ऊपर आएगा. You want it here? Okay, this is one option. What I was suggesting to you was here.
ये भी ठीक है.
So this is what I was suggesting. Very different
तो
location.
फिर इसको ये ऐसे, so that the tail and the head is on one
The
line.
tail and the head is on one line. But I'm suggesting to you. तू देख देखो ये जम रहा है, ऐसे जम रहा है, या फिर ये जो वाला तुमको यहाँ जम रहा है.
मुझे ये भी जम रहा है और वो भी जम रहा है.
ठीक है.
आप क्या बोलोगे बबलू भाई?
अगर सामने दिखाने हैं तो ये वाला सही है,
सामने मुझे देखना है ना.
तो ये सही है, ऐसा ये परफेक्ट है।
हाँ यही करना.
ठीक है
जो पहले वाला था ना वो सही है.
ठीक है सर.
Yes, sir.
ये देखना क्लोजअप्स.
Type of close-ups.
That is too close, man.
Political party. Oh my.
Okay,
देवनागरी फ्लो ही चलेगा.
I have gotten a new tattoo, and that is a beautiful humpback whale, or an artistic rendering, line drawing illustration of a humpback whale. Why whale? I have loved whales for a very, very, very long time. As a scuba diver, whales really speak to me. My left arm is my ocean arm. As I joke about it, I've got a scuba diver, I've got the ocean waves, I've got a camera over there. And whales are also considered as very wise beings, something I aspire to be as a life mission for myself. Whales are also considered gentle giants of the ocean. Whales are also considered motherly. I identify myself as Ajji Ankit. They're very motherly towards their own pod, towards other species. Whale song, music, sound. Whale song is meditative. Yeah, so many reasons to love whales. And more than anything, I love the way it looks, the design, what it evokes inside me. So yeah, 3rd February 2026, Goa has been tattooed. Funzy. My favoriteest church, especially by night, is in Sholim, St. Anthony's. It is so beautiful at night. Check this out.
Actually very easy.
ट्रिप हो.
Stunning day. Driving back with Adhar driving, and it feels amazing to sit in Azad in the back row.